So you click the Convert to Word tool. Let's get started. First, upload your PDF file. You can drag and drop the file or click to upload. Next, choose which pages you want to extract. You can select a starting page and ending page, depending on what you need. This saves time when you don't need the entire document. Now click the Extract Text button. The AI will start extracting content from the selected pages. You can now review and edit the content. When you select a portion of text, the conversion toolbar appears at the top. This toolbar lets you convert the selected content into different formats. You can convert selected text into a table instantly. This is useful for structured information. You can also convert text into a list or formatted paragraph. This makes editing inside Word easier and cleaner. You can even convert math expressions into word equations. Select the formula, and the tool converts it automatically. There's also a read option to review extracted content. You can adjust reading speed. Move forward or backward between lines and listen to your document easily.
As part of their norm 2.2,
And that's how you convert PDF content into Word, quickly and easily. Want to try another tool? Click the next video on the screen to explore more PDF tools.